How to log into Capital One website. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Capital One and navigate to its website. Now, in order to log into Capital One website, in this home page at the top right corner, you can see the sign in option. Tap on this. Now, you will be taken to the sign in page of the Capital One website. From here, you can enter your username and your password in order to log into your account. Before logging in, you must have already created your Capital One account before. You can use the same credentials over here, your username and your password of your account. After that, you can tap on the sign in button over here. So that's how you can easily log into Capital One website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.